Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The livestock industry is shifting toward a data-driven future, yet BASF cultivation still face biological inconsistency. So we create Entoson, a system designed to bring a digital order to the farm by making the harvesting process organized and accurately measurable through technology integration. Under the guidance of our project manager, Mem Dwi Amalia Pramasari. Our team combines hardware and software expertise. I, Rehan, handle hardware integration and mechanical design, while Yuki focus on AI architecture and the backend, creating a fully integrated ecosystem between the field and the digital screen. The core issue is biological. Cucumber migrate naturally, but high population density often traps them among other larvae. When this instinct fails, production stops, forcing inconsistent manual intervention that is difficult to track. This is where technology must step in to fill the gap of failed biological instinct. Endosoft acts as a technical integration by identifying and sorting larvae automatically to keep the production flow steady. We transform a messy manual process into a structured digital operation, ensuring system stability without being entirely dependent on fluctuating biological variables. Technically, we use distributed IoT architecture with the ESP32 as an edge controller and Raspberry Pi for real-time AI classification. This simple yet responsive logic ensures the system remains stable and reliable while, while operating in a dynamic farming environment. Our user experience is functional and direct, featuring a clean dashboard for farmer and calibration module for admin. Behind the scene, we prioritize system reliability and data integrity, ensuring that while the technology is complex inside, it remains simple, dependable, and friendly for the user.
Okay, thank you, Rehan. Let's look at the design interface of our project. First, we create a modern homepage to explain the problem, solution, and the value of our project. Second, we design to a real-time monitoring dashboard where user can see live camera AI detection, temperature, humidity, prepupa count, and larva count. And the last one is we build a control manual page where user can control motors and IoT components directly when needed. Next, Entosoft is more than just a machine. It is a complete digital ecosystem that connects hardware and software. We separate user role based on their needs. First, farmer. Farmer can focus monitoring dashboard, production, and get a result. Admin can manage user, setting, calibration, and system parameter. This role-based design help every user access only the feature they need. Next, let's look at the hardware connectivity. This diagram shows how all our IoT components like the microcontroller, power supply, relay, and motors are wired together. As the text say, this setup acts as the reliable physical foundation for our entire automation system. Next, to bring this entire system to life, we followed a structured 6-week development timeline. In week 1, we focus on initiation. In week 2, we look in all the functional and non-functional requirements. In week 3, we move to prototyping, dividing our test into hardware wiring, and web UI logic. Next, moving into week 4, we solidified our design, finalizing the mechanical schema and UI UX mockup. In week 5, we start to developing the front-end system, including the login and homepage. Finally, in week 5, we completed the backend development, integrating the dashboard, the manual control logic, and the reporting modules to tie everything together. Next. In conclusion, And the third is designed to improve the larva sorting process through smart synergy between hardware, software, and AI technology. The system help keep operation moving efficiently by automation repetitive manual tests. It also addresses bottleneck in sorting speed and accuracy that often happen in traditional method. With tailored access, user can monitor and control the system based on their role and needs. Real-time data insight allow user to track device performance and sorting result instantly. Overall, and those are super steady progress toward a smarter, faster, and more reliable larva farming industry. Next, thank you for very much. It was our pleasure to present our project today. Thank you.